else has got to go? What else has got to go? Get a 3-2-3 or a 1-5-8 or a 1-5-3 running.
Please thank you for that donation. Thank you.
That's right. Yeah. Boy, I've seen you better crowd of this people. I don't know how lame it is. Must just enjoy it, isn't it?
Yes, very good. Marvellous model, this one.
Yeah, I was meant to go yesterday, but I had to be scheduled today instead. It got more difficult as the day goes on because I had so much things on my plate, you know what I mean? No.
What ones do you like the best?
I don't know, I like all of them really. I just come here for fun really, just to see the layouts, you know what I mean? Just like enjoying yourself really.
Wonderful.
What?
Wonderful.
Got it. Yeah. I'll go back to my phone a little bit later, but just remember there's no reception, no people have reception around here, isn't it?
Yeah.
And let me try to film up to 10 minutes just from every layout. I don't mind it if it's a freight one or a passenger one. I just don't care. Just as long as I enjoy seeing all these layouts, that's all that matters. You know what I mean? Like,
Thanks for this one. Brilliant.
got it. Just take a couple shots of it. Yeah, I've seen those. I remember those ones as well. Those units are like busted days, aren't they? Nice layout called the Coppell, or what's it called that anyway? Because these things are being made up, isn't it? Or maybe they used to be a place there once, you know what I mean? Like, I go through like it was. Yeah. Oh, go away. Yeah.
For 313. Yeah. Here comes another one. Oh, what? Well, the thing I was just talking about.
Got it. The bubble car. My dad likes his bubble cars in his day. Yeah. He used to have them when he lived in Goole in Yorkshire. Yeah.
Oh, no, that's not on the front.
But most these days, most of them are throwaways or at least member on heritage roads, aren't they?
Yeah, they are.
I remember they got.
I'm looking.
Oh, the Royal Mail train.
Yeah.
Now they've been axed now for good, haven't they?
Yeah.
I do miss the Royal Mail ones, you know.
Yeah, they're nice.
Yeah. There you go. Oh, it's difficult when you have a camera, when the camera phone you his mind up, isn't it? Yeah, we are.
So those trains are going.
There you go.
Will this train never end? Look, it's still going.
The express intercity sleeper.
Is that the same line going back again?
How long this one is? This one's so long.
That's the sleeper.
So long.
There you go.
Loco, turn on.